Today, my lord, could it be on Monday? Because 2 o'clock, my lord, I have.
I don't mind Monday.
Lordship, we'll do it
Come,
with
come
my
at
lord,
Jalpaiguri.
my lord, we'll
Huh? Oh,
my lord, we'll do it today itself, Lordship. We'll do it today itself, Lordship. We'll do it today itself.
Now the weather is good.
My lord, it's a
Why don't you go there?
Me?
Sir? Sir?
Me?
Yes.
You want me to be in more trouble? I'm quite happy over here.
my lord, we'll do it at 2. In fact, we can do it now also if Lordship.
Sir, you do whatever you want to do.
Lordship.
Then come at 2.
Grateful, Lordship. Grateful.
Lordship, may I have your Lordship kindly to make
You give your whole set of note to
Lordship.
them,
Lordship.
including that one page,
Lordship.
serial number
Lordship.
maybe 25, 28, 31,
Lordship.
42, whatever.
Lordship.
They will give their full set of note which they have filed.
Grateful,
Very
Lordship.
Right?
Grateful.
Because they are not correcting anything. So
Lordship.
their one note, your
Lordship.
2 note.
Lordship. Grateful.
Wait,
Lordship,
I'm good.
Lordship, may I have your Lordship kindly to
All.
mention for inclusion, my lord, a motion, my lord. My lord, it was lastly listed in March 2025, my lord. Thereafter, it has not come, my lord. This is under the heading motion, my lord. It's a 2024 matter, my
November
lord.
monthly list.
My lord. Only, my lord, I will.
Motion service, November monthly list.
Grateful, your lordship.
Contempt application.
Huh?
Contempt application.
Content application, first time.
First day.
My order.
No, no, not his state. Well, inclusion in the list, not his state.
That's right. Inclusion, you will first time it will appear. 19th December. December 19th.
That was already
Yes.
overburdened, my lord.
Take the microphone.
But already, my lord, is overburdened. It is assigned matter, my lord. Already,
Motion or hearing.
assigned motion. My lord, it is already.
I can tell you one thing.
My lord.
After the puja vacation, that clause 7 will be deleted. Take the note.
Oh.
Take my list.
My
Take
lord.
my list. At a list din সাহেবকে আরে আমারটাই দিন না আইনি
No, no, দরকার নেই, দরকার নেই. I have read my lord, clause 7 yesterday, my lord.
read that clause 7 has been incorporated at the request of the members of the bar,
My lord.
right? Now after the vacation is over, from the dates on first day itself, this note will be omitted.
My lord.
Again I will go back 1 to 6.
My lord.
So when the
It will
assignment,
take only 2 minutes, already infractuous.
I have
The petition has already become
I
infractuous.
don't mind for that, but the thing is normally I follow the instructions.
My lord.
So I will take up if that suits you.
Already he is a retired, but he will wait.
If it suits you, you can wait, sir.
We will wait. Because if your lordship
you.
takes up the matter, we will wait for.
Why shouldn't I, sir?
Grateful, man, grateful.
The problem is,
It will take only 2 to 3 minutes.
problem is
Because already the.
problem is court is 1, matter is
My lord, my lord.
5,000.
I can feel, my lord.
Sir.
Already assigned matter.
I think after the vacation, this 7th clause will be
The
omitted.
petition has been moved against a notice. That notice has become already infractuous.
All right. And this clause 7 will not be there
My lord, my
in
lord.
the monthly list
I
of
will try
November.
my luck, my lord.
Monthly list of November জানো দিদি এই লাস্ট ক্লজ 7টা না থাকে
বাস।
যখন মান্থলি লিস্ট পাবলিশ করবেন ঠিক আছে এটা
Grateful,
শুধু
grateful.
ছুটির আগের জন্য আমি ফার্দার ডিরেকশন আমি দিয়ে দিলাম ঠিক আছে ছুটির পরে যে লিস্ট বেরোবে সে মান্থলি হোক ডেইলি হোক ছুটির পরে ক্লজ 7টা থাকবে না
Grateful, grateful.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
My lord, I'm mentioning a matter. This matter was taken up by your lordship on 18th of August and it was fixed on the 11th November. Because the SLP was pending, my lord, the SLP has been dismissed and
11th
more-
November madam not before
my lord, the petitioner's name is not there in the list of
very
the SLP.
well but 11th November I
My
will
lord, same matter fixed on 15th September, my
very
lord.
well I will not be able to accommodate madam you have please appreciate the situation next 15 days I will not be there thereafter only for 7 days 8 days working days come on next.
My lord.
Milord, item number 12, Milord, I'm praying for release of this matter, Milord. Due to some personal difficulty, I have to leave because, Milord, I may not be able to appear before your lordship at the time of call. Item number 12, Milord, I am for the petition. Kindly remember, yesterday the matter
12
was
12
12, Milord. Motion service.
so I will make it not today
No, Milord, for next 15 days, my lord will not be there, and yesterday it fell from your lordship that
then you will get an urgent determination there you will mention for that no release is required
Milord, regarding Milord transfer, there may not be any
no release is required no release is required No release is required for that. If you are not there, I will definitely pass it over. This much I can tell you. And thereafter, whoever will get the urgent determination, you will mention and do it.
My lord,
For that, no release is required.
my lord. Kindly make it pass over for the day.
Where is your junior? Some juniors.
My lord, she is not here, my lord, because other side, my
right.
lord, I shall inform her.
If I,
What for?
if I remember, I will pass it over.
Right.
Chalo. আর কত দিক সামলাতে হবে? কি কারবার? Yes.
I am for the alleged contempt number 3. Pursuant to your lordship's direction of 18th July, I being the district inspector of schools, I inform the matter, bring it to the notice of the Lord DPPG, whether they have paid the interest or not. Lord, entire amount has been paid. Some 5 lakhs is due, was due. Whether it has been paid or not, I will not ever, my lord. They are not appearing.
চলো আসুন আসুন না না
I have the instruction, Lord. On 24th, we have intimated to the DPPG. Pursuant to your lordship's direction.
None appears for the petitioner, nor any accommodation has been sought for. Paragraph, Mr. Jayanto Samanto, learned advocate, appearing for alleged contender number 3, has placed an instruction dated
24th of July.
July 24, 2025, issued by his client. Comma, the same is taken on record. Full stop. The same shows that the alleged contender number 3 has performed its obligation
My lord.
and due compliance of the direction of this court. Paragraph. Be that as it may, the matter shall once again appear under the heading content application on December 19, 2025.
Few days before New Year. Few days before New Year.
Next. But these are content. These will be carried by me. Even if any change, these will be with me. Yes.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
First time.
No, my lord, your lordship has directed to serve copy of the contempt application upon the alleged contemptor.
Who is the alleged contemptor?
I have served, he has received it, my lord. I don't deliver it, my lord. Kindly see.
Affidavit of service. Who is the alleged contemptor?
Contemptor, Mr. China Malik
Baba.
Pradhan Khajuddah Milki Gam Panchayat.
Ashu. How was it served?
Speed post, he has delivered, my lord. Kindly see the last.
Show me.
Well, last page, my lord, delivered on 20
Ashu.
July.
Affidavit of service filed in court today is taken on record. Paragraph. Affidavit of service shows that pursuant to the direction of this court dated July 18, 2025, contempt application has duly been served along with the copy of the order upon the alleged contender. Full stop. Neither paragraph, Didi. Neither the আচ্ছা আপনি তো যাচ্ছেন তো কবে কালকে না আজকে সব রুল করে দেবো কি বললাম? Neither the alleged contender is represented nor appears in person. Paragraph. The petitioner submits that the direction of this court dated June 20, 2024 has not yet been complied. Paragraph. In view of the above, there shall be a rule issued upon the alleged contemner. Full stop. Paragraph. The rule shall be drawn up and served expeditiously. Full stop. The rule is made returnable. The rule shall be made returnable on November 28. না আজকে কত তারিখ? অগাস্ট কি বলছেন? A rule shall be made returnable on September 19, when the matter shall appear under the heading contempt application. Next.
Triumph for the petitioner.
Complied or not?
But substantially complied, some portion are still remaining. My instruction is that some more time is required
Very
because
well.
they are sitting with DI.
Very well.
So let
Yes,
it be after.
Mr.
My
Dev.
lord, in respect of that, my lord, I am saying, my lord,
Mr. Day, you have filed your affidavit of compliance. To what extent it has been
yes, my lord,
complied?
this is the earlier occasion we have filed.
It is filed.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, the lordship directed to sit with the DI to the school authority and solve the.
The process is on, some
Yes,
more
my lord.
time.
This is the last report. My lord, your lordship kindly see that this is the, in respect of the first matter, item number 3, this is the leave report. Already, my lord, in earlier occasion, thereafter, my lord, the one post for librarian, that has been already been.
Both the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the alleged, how many? Contemner?
One. Only for
Alleged
the
contemners. In these contempt proceedings, jointly submit that the process has substantially progressed to carry out the direction of this court in toto. Full stop. If some, full stop, if some time is granted, the same may be, the direction of this court shall be done totally. Paragraph. Mr. Rudronil De, learned counsel appearing for
the contemner number one for only for the DI.
alleged contemner in WPCRC 67 of 2025, comma, in support of his submission has submitted a report today dated August 27, 2025, signed by the alleged contemner oblique DI.
Report has been submitted to.
Copy has been made over to Mr. Sandeep Kumar De, learned advocate for the petitioner in court today. Full stop. In view of the above, give me a date. You agree for a date and give me.
First week of December.
In view of the above, the matter shall appear under the heading contempt application on December 5.
But
5
the-
or 12?
5 will be all right.
5. December 5.
I have no objection.
But the affidavit of services may be kept in record.
December 5, 2025. মাথার উপর affidavit, লিখুন না, মাথার উপর affidavits of service in 3 matters are taken on record. 3টে অর্ডার হবে। 3টেই আছে তো?
3 months.
একটা অর্ডার, 3টে ম্যাটার। সবার অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স, কন্টেন্ট নাম্বার গুলো দিয়ে দাও। CPRC দিয়ে দিয়ে লিখে দেবে। Next. Next.
My lord, in respect of three matters,
For the petitioner, my lord.
3, 4, 5. Same order in
Yes. একটাই order, তিনটে matter.
in
Next.
respect of one matter, my lord, already your lordship's entire direction that has been complied in, no lease is pending before this court. In respect of one.
Mention on the next day. Chalo, next কি হলো? Next 6.
My lord, I appear for the alleged contender in this matter, my lord.
Alleged contempt,
Yes.
jail or bail?
My lord, the order has been complied with, my lord. The affidavit of compliance.
You have given him a copy?
Yes.
When?
Just now.
Yes, no.
Mr. Shaunak Ghosh, learned advocate, appears for the petitioner. Mr. Atro Chakraborty appears for the alleged contender. Right?
Yes, my lord.
One contender?
Yes.
Paragraph. Mr. Learned Counsel, Ms. Paragraph. Mr. Chakraborty has filed a compliance report in the form of affidavit affirmed by the alleged contender on August 22, 2025. Full stop. The same is taken on record. Full stop. Copy has been served upon Mr. Shaunak Ghosh, learned advocate, in court today. Full stop. He shall consider the same and revert back to this court on the next day. Paragraph. The matter shall appear under the heading contempt application on November 7, 2025.
My lord, only one thing, my lord. In the cause title of the report, my lord, the number of the contempt application has gone down wrongly. It should be WPCRC. The number is
ওটা
CPAN.
দাও, correct. Leave is
But
granted.
my lord, I am not the advocate on record.
Leave is granted to the advocate on record to correct the content petition number in the compliance report filed today by putting his signature in course of the day.
Grateful, my lord.
Beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Last time.
My lord, I beg to appear.
already
Rule already issued, my lord. I beg to appear, my lord. But the contender, my lord, he pays, my lord, unconditional apology, my lord. My lord,
Order complied.
my lord, order, my lord, kindly. Subdivisional officer, my lord, issued a letter. The Pradhan has already communicated to the subdivisional officer, my lord. May I hand up, please?
No. The reasoned order passed.
My lord, I have informed the contender, my lord, informed the subdivisional officer that without any, my lord, sanction plan, building has been constructed. So, subdivisional officer has been requested to take action in accordance with, my lord. Here is the letter. Yes.
No notice has been served or no order has been complied with. Till now, no notice or no order has been served upon us.
My lord, we will hand over.
That they will give you here and now. Very well. You first give it, come on the next day. Ashok. Pursuant to the rule.
And my lord, if my lord grants some more time, I can, my lord, communicate the reason order also, my lord.
Nothing. Why you are not filing the reasoned order?
My lord, it is, my lord, it has been communicated long back to the, my lord, to the author, subdivisional officer, my lord.
You should have served the
Yes,
reasoned
yes.
order. Why it has not been served?
It is not in the form of written, my lord, reason order. It
Yes, my
in
lord.
inquiry.
No order has been passed.
In inquiry, it has been conducted, and it is found there is no sanction plan.
Thereafter, what was the direction supposed to be carried out?
And my lord, that information has been given to the subdivision.
Doesn't matter. What was the stage?
To pass,
Let's see
a
the-
reason order. And my lord,
Let's see the
My lord,
see
yes,
the
ma'am.
see the order.
Order, my lord, 26
Inquiry
June
notice.
2024, my lord.
Page.
Page
Inquiry
contempt application 21.
My lord, stop work notice has been issued, inquiry has been conducted. My lord, thereafter, formal reason order has not been passed, but before that,
Sufficient contempt.
my lord, I understand, my lord.
Sufficient
But before
contempt.
that, my lord,
Order dated,
Order dated 26 June 2024.
which page?
In contempt application 21.
my lord, kindly have a look to this letter communication.
I will. First, let him be state guest for 1 week.
My lord, kindly, my lord,
Of course,
my lord, kindly,
of course.
kindly, my lord. My
Of
lord,
course.
already, my lord, to the inform to the subdivisional
No
office.
information will do unless you carry out. If you have
Lord,
not carried
My
it,
lord, grant
it's a
me,
gross contempt.
my lord, grant me 3 weeks time, my lord, 2 weeks time, my lord, I will, my lord, certainly, already, my lord, kindly have a look to this letter, my lord, kindly.
রুল কোথায় রুল তো ইস্যু হয়নি
Yes, my lord, rule has been issued, my lord.
Rule has been.
তাহলে WPSCRC নাম পড়েনি কেন হ্যাঁ
CRC নম্বরটা কই? না, ওটা rule নয়। Yes,
Already-
my lord. Last order 18 July of 2025, my lord. Kindly see.
yes rule is I
Rule
got
is-
the rule
Yes, my lord.
Rule issued, my lord.
অন্য ফাইল দিয়েছিল ভুল
Oh.
আসুন this is a contempt proceeding না first হচ্ছে
Contempt, my lord.
Mr.
Chandranath Sarkar.
Chandranath Sarkar, learned advocate, appears for the petitioner. Mr.
Uday Narayan Betal.
Uday Narayan Betal, learned advocate, appears for the alleged contemner. How many?
One, my lord.
One.
Yes.
Gross contempt.
Pradhan of Daspur 1, Nandanpur 2.
Alleged contemner oblique Pradhan of the Panchayat. Paragraph. Pursuant to the rule issued on July 18, 2025, Sri Dulal Mundol, the alleged contemner stroke Pradhan of the Panchayat appears in person before this court today. He admits that out of ignorance, the direction of this court has not been complied with in its strict sense and spirit. He prays for unqualified apology before this court and undertakes that henceforth the direction of the court shall not never be disobeyed or violated. Paragraph. The alleged contemner, through his learned counsel, Mr. Uday Narayan Betal, submits the places
Yes, my lord.
a report.
It is the communication to the, my lord, subdivisional office. Pursuant to his, my lord, letter communication. Last 2 lines, my lord, last paragraph, last 3 lines.
Places 2 documents before this court. Full stop.
And my lord, also stop work notice given, my lord.
The
It was
one being a letter dated July 3, 2024.
This was inquired and my lord, stop work notice initially given, my lord.
No, but these are the
Yes.
one being the letter dated July 3, 2024, by which the alleged contemner informed the district magistrate.
Subdivisional officer.
No, Manoniya Mohokuma Shashok.
Mohukuma Shashok. Subdivisional officer.
জেলা শাসক নয় ঠিক
জেলা
কি বললাম informed the jurisdictional subdivisional officer
বলে দিয়েছে।
informing that Dilip Kumar Samanto has not constructed the alleged construction. No, has not. No. Has constructed the alleged construction without any sanction plan and without any sanction plan. Accordingly, the said Dilip Kumar Samanto has been served with a notice dated June 21, 2024 and July 21 and July 1, 2024 for not carrying out any further construction with regard to the said illegal and unauthorized construction.
In the meantime, they already complete the construction work, man.
It will stop.
It should be demolished. If it is not there
Should be demolished, man.
by the subdivisional officer, Panchayat cannot.
দেখেছি দেখানো কি আছে শুধু দেখেছি
A further communication dated June 27, 2024, issued by Divisional Officer Ghatal, Subdivisional Officer Ghatal, SDO Ghatal, addressed to inter alia Pradhan, inter alia aage pore comma, inter alia, the alleged contemner, to conduct an inquiry and take necessary action and submit a report before the SDO. First, these documents are taken on record. Copies have been served
I will like
on.
Yes, ma'am.
Give it. Mr.
চন্দ্রনাথ সরকার
Chandranath
সরকার
Sarkar, learned advocate,
But
appearing
it's
for the
just
petitioner in court today.
এই তো লাস্ট লাইনটা পড়ো সেকেন্ড প্যারাগ্রাফের লাস্ট লাইনটা পড়ো এই ভাঙার অর্ডার
On reading of the order dated June 26, 2024, passed by this court, it appears the representation of the petitioner dated May 21, 2024 has not been disposed of in the manner and mode as directed by this court. Full stop. In view of the above, one last opportunity is granted to the alleged contemner to comply with the direction of this court dated
26
26 June 2000
June 26, 2024. In the meantime, and to file a compliance report in the form of affidavit before this court when the matter shall be taken up next. Paragraph. The dispensation of appearance of personal appearance of the alleged contemner shall be considered on the next day.
For the time being, my lord.
Sorry, no.
My lord, he may left before for the time being, my lord. For the time being.
No dispensation. He will have to come again.
Yes, my
on
lord.
the
He will
next
come,
day.
my lord. For the day, my lord, only.
Yes, for the day, yes.
My lord, kindly
So-
record that. Otherwise, my lord, he cannot leave, my lord.
Yes,
The day, my lord, kindly record that.
I shall say dispensation will be considered on the next day.
Yes, yes. He will appear.
এবার বলবো হাত ধরে বাড়ি নিয়ে যেতে হবে কিন্তু মানুষকে
My lord, বাড়ি পাঠিয়ে দেবো। কোথায় যাবে?
কি বললাম on the next day. The alleged contemner shall also be present in person on the next day.
Chief shall be granted, my lord. SDO should be party in contempt proceedings, my lord. My lord, in the contempt proceedings, my lord.
Sorry, no, you cannot enlarge the scope by addition party unless court thinks fit.
Section 23(5) the scope.
That is not the case in the contempt petition. The matter shall, sir, in law, whatever steps you are entitled to take, you will take. But I'm not going to enlarge your scope of contempt proceeding with a case which is not there. Which is not there. Until now, it is not a case that the SDO has not acted.
Yes, ma'am.
So why should I include him in the contempt? কি বললাম? The matter shall appear under the heading contempt proceeding, a contempt application on November 21, 2025. Paragraph. Pendency of this contempt proceeding shall not preclude the authorities to comply with the direction of this court dated
26 June
June 26, 2024 and to file report and to file compliance report on the next day. Full stop. The petitioner shall also serve a copy of today's order upon the jurisdictional SDO for his perusal and notice.
Matter will be returnable.
21 তারিখ 21 November 21 November
One indulgence, I'm sorry. In item
Sir,
6,
matter is over.
my lord, I'm very sorry, my lord.
Matter is over, sir.
My lord,
Matter is over.
the only thing is that personal appearance was directed. My lord had directed that my lord will consider whether to dispense or not on the next date, my lord. So he is present in court, my lord, only if his appearance
So
could be
देखिए,
dispensed with. I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, my lord. I apologize.
For the day, my lord.
Huh?
For the day, my lord.
No, I have filed my compliance.
Oh, so complaint.
Yes, it's a different.
that is a different matter. That is a different matter.
আগের মতো
কি অর্ডার করেছি?
6.
আসুন. Which order? I have directed personal appearance.
22nd August 2025, my lord. Last order passed by my lord. In the last few paragraphs, my lord.
কি বলেছি? Where is he? Shaunak Ghosh?
He's there.
Bring Shaunak Ghosh.
Shaunak Ghosh. All right, my lord.
Bring Shaunak Ghosh.
And then I'll come back at 2 p.m. or right now, shall
Right now.
Grateful.
Bring Shaunak Ghosh.
Grateful.
Bring him.
Yes.
কি বললাম? ঠিক আছে, ওখানে একটা না রাখুন, পরে ও এলে অ্যাড করে দেবো। In view of the above, And since the alleged contemner / Pradhan is also present today, and has filed the compliance report, the personal appearance, the alleged contemner. Personal appearance of the alleged contemner oblique Pradhan stands dispensed with for the time being, until further direction. এটা করে রাখুন, ওরা আসুক থাকুন, ভুলে যেতে না যায়। Next. 8. None appears for the parties nor any accommodation has been sought for. देखी कागज देखी। Paragraph, the last order dated July 11, 2025 speaks for itself. Paragraph, in view of the above, the matter shall appear under the heading Contempt application. এর আগের দিনও none appears.
শুনুন, আমি একটা
করুন তো।
ক্যাবিনেটে প্রপোজ করেছি, ক্যাবিনেট বসছে না বলে ব্যাপার হচ্ছে।
না, last order আগে লিখুন। On the last occasion on July 11, 2025, as the order shows, none appeared for the petitioners. Poster. The petitioner was directed to serve contempt application along with a copy of the order dated July 11, 2025 upon the alleged contemner, and to file an affidavit of service today. However, today also none appears for the petitioner. The court presumes that the petitioner is no more interested to proceed with the contempt proceeding. Accordingly, this contempt proceeding, bold CPAN of 401 of 2025 stands dropped and closed. Dropped, closed, duto bold. Paragraph. CPAN bold 401 of 2025 stands disposed of, as such. Next.
My lord, I am for the applicant.
Compliant.
No. May I indicate? My lord, kindly remember,
In
your lordship
1971 till date.
Your lordship directed direct purchase of the land of the petitioner. Lord, on the last occasion, we were at a junction where the IGR was not producing the valuation of the land. My lord made the IGR a party contemner before lordship. Lord, thereafter, my lord, much has been progressed. My lord, may I place it before lordship?
Give it to him.
I've given. Lord, now, my lord, the valuation is done. My lord, the proposal, last bullet points, my lord, will kindly see. Lord, the district committee has accepted the proposal of direct purchase. My lord, will kindly come to the next, my lord. Such matter was, my lord, approval was also made by the refugee department, refugee rehabilitation department, my lord.
You have seen.
Lord,
So I'm adjourning, I'm quoting this in the order.
My lord, kindly.
Quoting this in the order so that let it be on record. And I'm adjourning, granting them further time in terms of his prayer.
My lord.
My lord, they have nothing to do, my lord. They are handicapped. From these, my lord, which I find, they are handicapped.
Then it's not a contempt.
If your lordship, on the basis of my earlier submission, if the salary is stopped even,
then the DM, collector as well as the secretary irrigation department have nothing to do. Because, my lord, the proposal from this, I got it, the proposal is sent to the cabinet for approval. The finance department had already been approved on 25th of August. My lord, kindly have a look into on the next page. My lord, first bullet point. Thereafter, following the existing rules framed under memo number such and such, dated such and such, read with such and such, the estimated proposal has been sent to the finance department for obtaining approval on 19th of August 25. Your lordship got it on the next page. Next bullet point is
Approval.
yes, approval from finance department was obtained on 25th of August 25 by such and such. Next, my lord, the fund will be placed, will be placed.
That is the act
soon-
provides.
Yes, soon after obtaining approval from standing committee of cabinet on industry, infrastructure and employment. Therefore, my lord, kindly grant me leave to implead the chief secretary
Bah.
to implead as party. Otherwise, my lord, the fund will never release.
My lord, the cabinet is not sitting for the moment, my lord. The act provides, my lord, that it has to be approved by the cabinet.
I will do one thing today.
Yes.
Listen to me, then I will again hear you.
Well.
I will quote this. I will record your submission for implement of the chief secretary. I will also record his submission that he is asking for some more time.
Well,
As he has received instruction, the direction will be carried out.
kindly give me the substantial time, my lord.
Not substantial.
Some
More
time.
than substantial you have got.
My lord, election is coming in very soon, and puja is there, my lord. Prior to puja, that's puja. My lord.
First, listen to me. And then I will say the copy of the order shall be served upon the chief secretary and finance secretary.
My lord.
Right? If nothing has, if the direction is not complied with, then your prayer shall be considered for addition. Chief secretary and finance secretary.
My lord, if your lordship grant me leave, and if I serve the copy upon him, my lord, I don't want anything except my money.
Headlines.
Compensation had already been determined, my lord.
All right. Let me pass my order. After all, sir, chief secretary has not received any knowledge of this. So let him have the knowledge first.
No, my lord, that should be placed by the chief secretary before the cabinet.
Correct. So it might happen that chief secretary is not aware of this fact.
Yes.
Because he is not a party already. So let today's order and the entire thing shall be placed before this. It will be served by you on the chief secretary. Then let him consider first.
Then the matter to be returnable after returning back from the circuit bench, my lord.
Wait for some time. কিছু জিনিস বাবা একটু আস্তে আস্তে খেলতে হবে। ওরম ভাবে তো হবে
সব করে দিলে হবে।
Lord, 50 years, my lord.
I appreciate, sir.
Lord, today, my lord,
Appreciate, sir.
perhaps this is the last item.
I appreciate, sir.
No, my lord,
Appreciate.
আবার বন্ধ করে দেবে আগে
my lord, I am telling about something else. Perhaps this is the last item your lordship will taken up.
Huh?
Yes, because my lord,
কি
Mr.
বুঝলাম না।
Dostur died. Just now I got the information.
কে
দস্তুর
Why is a Dostur?
Yes.
Yes. Lord,
Yes.
one after another call I am receiving, I am going to call the meeting.
Mr. Dastur.
Yes,
He was hospitalized.
He is suffering from cancer.
Cancer. That I know.
Today he expired.
All right. Ashu. The last order dated July 2025 speaks for itself.
বলছি আবার আমার ম্যাটারটা করেই বন্ধ করে দেবে।
Today, আচ্ছা মাথার উপর লিখুন Mr. Shankar Prasad Dolopati, learned advocate, appears for the petitioner. Mr. Nilotpal Chatterjee, learned counsel, appears for the alleged contemner. Who is the contemner?
Look, it is the district magistrate and this assistant secretary, my lord.
হবে না। এ দিয়ে হবে না।
হবে, হবে।
সেক্রেটারিকে ধরতে হবে।
না হবে না।
চিফ সেক্রেটারিকে সার্ভ করো।
My lord.
আমি বলছি। কি বললাম? He does not even, he might have not known this.
Certainly.
If it brings to the knowledge of the chief secretary, he may take step immediately.
This will be.
Your lordship will very much true and correct because
No, in another matter, I did that in the last week.
And I know, my lord's wisdom.
Finance secretary was not made aware of. The day I directed to serve upon the entire thing on the finance secretary, within 2 weeks it was done.
It will, in fact, will not help us. What order your lordship is passing. তুমি খালি বক্তৃতা দিতে পারবে না, এই হচ্ছে মুশকিল।
And it's contempt না, একটাই। Paragraph. Today, Mr. Chatterjee has placed a written instruction dated August 26, 2025, received by him from the Joint Secretary within bracket technical, Government of West Bengal. The salient features
হাইকোর্ট ক্লাবে কোনো অনুষ্ঠান হবে আজকে?
from the said report are quoted below. এইখান থেকে বুলেট দিয়েই কোট করবেন যেমন আছে। ঠিক আছে, কোট 1 এটা আচ্ছা ওটা লিখেছেন, the report is taken on record.
এখানে কত?
হ্যাঁ, the report is taken on record. Full stop, তারপর the salient features. হলো quoted below. Copy has been served upon Mr. Dolopati, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Nilotpal Chatterjee, learned counsel, on instruction submits, if some more time is granted, the direction of this court dated contempt dated
25th September
25, 2024 shall be complied with totally. Paragraph. Par contra, Mr. Dolopati submits that leave may be granted to implead the chief secretary and the finance secretary. To implead, কি বললাম? Leave may be granted. Chief secretary and the finance secretary of the state of West Bengal in the contempt proceeding. Full stop. Paragraph. Considering the above and considering the report taken on record today, the petitioner shall serve a copy of the contempt application along with all the orders passed so far therein, including today's order, on the chief secretary and finance secretary of the state. The petition, full stop, the petitioner shall file affidavit of service on the next day. Considering the submission of Mr. Chatterjee, some further time is granted so that the direction of this court stands complied with. Paragraph. In the event on the next day this court finds that the direction of this court has not been complied with, the court shall proceed to consider the prayer of Mr. Dolopati made today on behalf of the petitioner for the impleadment. Paragraph. The matter shall appear under the heading contempt proceedings, contempt application on
12 or 19. 12 or 19. 12, your lordship will return back.
On
Then 19, my lord, কালি give me some time, my lord.
পূজা চলে এসছে তো।
আরে 19 তারিখ তো হচ্ছে, তুমি তো 12 বা 19
আপনাদের কাছে ভালো মানুষ
তুমি 12 বা 19 বলছো, আমি 19টা বলছি, তাতে অসুবিধা কোথায়?
19
September 19,
19
2025.
We are grateful, my lord.
বলে দিয়েছি।
Under the heading লিখেছো?
চল।
Full stop হলো। Yes, what happened?
এই বলো।
Came to inform your lordship that Mr.
That I am told. Very
We are
unfortunate.
requesting your lordship, my lord,
But
so, my lord, we have already informed the Honorable Chief Justice. His lordship indicated that he would take only one matter and then his lordship.
no, but
আমিও বলেছি এটা last.
তুমি
উনিও শুনে
Because we will be on our way. Live stream.
Order in contempt is 22nd April.
Yes. The page 2039 is the impugned memo, which my lord.
Wait.
My-
Memo February 18,
Yes,
2025.
Yes.
Yes. In the representation.
In the
as it is
representation,
clear from the
it
impugned
as is clear
memo,
from the impugned order of COMH, the South Organas on February 1825, which is not legally permissible, as well as in question of sustainability of existence of such impugned memo on today's date. Impugned order of CMH has no material on which it may determine. I'm on that. They are saying that your lordship's order is that consider this memo along with the order. Kindly that comes to the
benefit was granted in terms of that memo.
That memo to other employees, not to us. And kindly
Now
comes
they
to
say that memo is illegal.
illegal. Sitting over as if they are sitting over appeal over your lordship's observation, and kindly comes to just one page, page 40. This memo is referred to at the interim stage before your lordship decides the issue by the coordinate bench. That's why your lordship in the order which is alleged to be violated, this order is also mentioned. Page 40. And it is the submission of the learned.
Yes, 18th February.
And it is the submission on behalf of the state that they will comply that memo. This is a fair submission on behalf of the state. But kindly page 40. On
page 40 on behalf of the petitioner.
Petitioner memo being, I placed the memo 18th February. On perusal of the memo, it appears that the concerned COMH has stated that the payment of wages to the security personnel within the district must be made directly to them immediate effect. That memo.
Deployed at such and such hospital within district must be made
directly to the immediate effect. By relying upon the said memo, it is submitted by the petitioners that hospitals concerned wherein the petitioners of the petitioner are deployed is under the same district, that is Vidyashagan and others, and as such the direction given by CMH in the said memo 18 February 2025 shall also be applicable in the case of the petitioners. Petitioners therefore should be directly paid. This is my submission. Now the state submissions. Mr. Shapant Kumar Dotto, learned senior advocate, additional GP, who represents the state in this matter, has fairly submitted that the learned advocate for the petitioner has shown him the memo before the commencement of the hearing, and he intends to take specific instruction so that the issue being subject matter of writ petition can be appropriately dealt with. Then, your lordship consider this memo and the submission, and this is the order that
in the final order.
Final order is starting from your lordship's order, final order, page 42, and then the reasoned order shows that this memo is not applicable. How can then judge? Once your lordship passed an order, it's clear case of contempt. But be that as it may, my learned friend will submit that earlier round of litigation, when I moved the earlier writ petition, there the issue was this issue, and at the interim stage, they were directed to pay the salary as per the existing norms, and we were not given liberty to form a society. Because the formation of the society, it applies to the private agency. But by way of interim order, we have done that. But that order has been merged into the final order. In the final order, in the earlier order of litigation, they were directly to pay the salary directly to their account. That was not complied with. We moved the contempt application. In the contempt application, thereafter, they paid the salary up to August 2023. Thereafter, even they stopped. So that contempt order is also relevant because his lordship, Justice Bhattacharya, mentioned that I am entitled to move that petition. That's why I moved the second petition with your lordship. In that petition, this order was passed. So I'm not going to any other submissions beyond this order. Order is specific, and they are not acting as if sitting over the appeal judge. Clear case of contempt.
Yes, Mr. Chattopadhyay. In the previous situation, you have granted benefit in view of the memo.
My learned friend relied the memo issued by the 3 hospitals. Well, law is, my lord, they should be formed a society, registered society, and the employees are raised the bill through the society, not individually. That is the finance department memo, and also coordinated bench passed the order, Justice Mantha. My learned senior Mr. Dotto, he fairly submitted that we will follow. But your lordship specifically that after taking hearing, considered in accordance with law. We are ready to pay, but government money should be given through the society, They have the procedure, that is the procedure. They never followed this procedure each and every time. They're filing writ, contempt, and taking the individual account.
Why they should form a, where is this written that they should have to form a, they shall have to form the society? Hey, Baba.
Matlab, in my reply to this? Complaint.
Under which law they will have to form a
My lord,
society?
in my compliance folder, page 23.
No, but you have previously done so.
Previously, my lord, under the order of the court.
No, so long. So long from the
Sorry, my lord, I will not say anything.
from the inception.
I am never interrupt my friend.
Answer, please.
Please.
Under the threat of contempt, my lord, we are, my lord, bound to pay the amount. But our law is that, my lord, they should form the society.
Where is that law, sir?
Page 23.
Yes.
From the very beginning, my lord, the undersigned is directed to state that the engagement of private security agencies deployed in government establishment for safety and protection of the government property is made through the due process of tender and based on recommendation of tender selection committee of administrative department.
You do one thing. Since you have made previously, this time also you pay, I will record, this will not never create any further precedence.
Earlier same thing happened. We have given.
I will record that no precedence shall be created.
My lordship, kindly go through the earlier coordinate bench order. Just the month, that is what the page.
Page 25.
Page 25. Same
25
of compliance report.
Yes.
Order dated 15 June 2021. First second paragraph. Council for the State. Got it, no? Page 25. Council for the State and answering respondent, Mr. Swapan Kumar Datto, Secretary Taposh Kumar, they submit that in terms of Finance Department procedure and rules, under ordinary circumstances, payments to persons like the petitioners made only through a society registered by such persons. It is in the right that the government has finding it difficult to further release payment in deviation of standard procedure. There are larger issues pending in the petition that they require to be decided after exchange of affidavit. Hence, as an interim measure, the payment of remuneration to the petitioners shall be made as per the existing procedure, insofar as the current and arrears are concerned. However, for the remuneration payable from August 21, the petitioner shall have to form a society along with the other persons similarly situated, and payments by the state shall only be made to the petitioners through such society. The above arrangement is purely ad hoc interim measures and shall be made strictly without prejudice to any rights and contention of the parties to the interest of the proceeding. Next page, it is also made clear that the aforesaid arrangement shall not create any equity in favor of the petitioners. Let affidavit in opposition be filed.
Yes.
Next one, another order.
Placed anything on merit? I'll let me place merit. Firstly, my lord.
So I will hear you on merit, provided you can show that this order is no more there.
Yes. Next, my lord.
Coming.
March, the final order. Not there in his lordship.
Sit down.
Next page, next date.
Page 28.
Page 28. Affidavit service. The interim measure recorded in the second and third paragraph of the second page of the order dated so and so shall continue. The petitioner shall be paid remuneration from the salary, including arrears as per existing arrangement until March 31st, March 2022. It is absolutely made clear that the petitioner will form a society on or before the said date. Specific direction. In the event no society is formed, the salary to the petitioner shall not be paid as per the existing procedure any further. Counsel for the petitioner submit that an application has already been made in the prescribed format on July 5th, 2021 to the Registered Farms and Societies, Government of West Bengal. This says registry shall ensure that the petitioner's application as aforesaid shall be acted upon as expeditiously as possible. The petitioner shall have a copy of this order on the Register Farms and Society, so and so, let this matter appear at John. So it is.
So what happened to that writ petition?
Page 40.
In the matter, my learned friend LPR.
No, what happened to this writ petition?
Then contempt, my lord, they have
What happened to the writ petition, main writ petition?
many that
WPA 8981.
that must be they have that is disposed of.
Disposed of?
Yes.
How it is disposed of? Show me the order.
No, last order.
40, my lord, page
40?
40 of the contempt application.
Your contempt petition, page 40?
Page 40 of the contempt petition. Justice Saraf's order.
Kindly come to page 40.
That's one of 89.
No, that was not.
That is not.
That is not.
Justice Saraf's order.
Sir, I have a very specific question. Show me the order of disposal in WPA 8981.
Achha, 898. Yes.
8981.
Yes, my lord. Page 32 of the contempt application.
32.
Nothing doing, pay these them. That is the observation. That larger issue was not decided, but since salary was not paid, it has marched into that, and that's why they took the point. That's why they took the point.
Let's see. Read on.
My lord. As per order dated 15 January 2021, passed by a coordinate bench of this court, the petitioners have formed a society under the Registration Act and have submitted.
One second. So you have formed a society.
Ad interim measure. Relevant documents
No,
to the
no,
accounts.
wait. You have formed a society. It is in existence.
It is legally existence, but practically not, because
No, but then where is the difficulty to accept the
this
fund?
is the society, formation of the society, that memo they referred to. This is.
Sorry. May I have your lordship's leave to
That
interrupt?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that Mr. Dutt, oh, resolution.
Mr. Dastur has expired.
Ah,
Why
yes,
is it-
Mr. Dastur.
Yes, has expired. My lord, we have adopted a resolution that we would not be participating from 12.
No, your secretary came.
Yes.
I said, since it is a content last matter,
Ma'am.
so I will hear it.
Ma'am.
Rest, no issues.
Much of.
And since both the parties are arguing, so let this matter be over, whatever way. And what about any circulation made?
Well, we are in the process. But we have intimated the Honorable Chief Justice and others.
Thank you.
But the larger issue, whether the formation of the society is at all necessary or not from these persons, because they were engaged not through private agency. Why? Kindly permit, bear with me for a minute. This larger issue, I also raised before your lordship. Your lordship delegated the matter, let them decide. These larger issues, the memo referred to, this is in case of private agency. That we are appointed by the Jora Sainik Board as a statutory body. So from the very inception, we have been paid salary directly to our bank account. Now coming to this order, we have formed the society as an interim order to get this salary. Thereafter, kindly comes to the next part. That interim order measurement has marched into the final order. And office, it is to be noted, second paragraph, it is to be noted, salary has not been paid to the petitioners for a long period. Respondents are now seeking ESI cards for the respective employees. It is the opinion of the court that this is a time-wasting tactics and the petitioner should be made the payment as they are beneficiaries of the government scheme irrespective of the production of ESI card. Respondents are directed to make any arrear payment to petitioners with a period of 3 weeks from date, with the observation, consequence such and such. So this order was not appealed against and it was complied with by your contempt application. Kindly bear with the contempt order. Because this point was also taken. That this was interim order, kindly comes to Justice Bhattacharya's order. The final order, page 36.
Yes.
My lord, page 30, second paragraph. By initiating this contempt proceeding, applicants have alleged that the order passed by the coordinate bench on 15 September 2020, there's a final order, Justice Sharaff's, has been violated by not releasing the arrear payment to the petitioners within the specified time. Today, an affidavit of compliance has been filed on behalf of the alleged contemners, and the same is taken on record. The same point, my learned friends, that point is taken. A copy of the affidavit of compliance is made over to the learned advocate representing the appellants. It has been submitted by Mr. Chattopadhyay under additional government appearing for the alleged contemners that payment has been made to the applicants in terms of the order dated such and such. In spite of the fact, in terms of the order dated such and such, bills were not raised through registered society under the Society Registration Act. In order to comply with the order dated such and such, alleged contemners had to pay individually to the applicants. Learned advocates for the representative applicants dispute the quantum of payment. Having considered the fact payments have been made as appears from the documents annexed such and such, present contempt is disposed of. However, this order shall not preclude the applicants to take steps in
No, but
accordance with law.
my question is,
Yes.
it is not disputed that society is required to be formed.
It is, yes, it is disputed. A larger issue was not decided by.
But so long it is not decided, nothing is before me.
Nothing, your lordship was read before your lordship, but at this stage I cannot.
It is not before me. Society has been formed, right?
Formation.
Had this society, formation of society not been required, you
Not
would
required.
not have formed this society.
Not by the interim order, final issue, larger issue, his lordship observed.
Sir, that is
larger-
no more there. The writ petition is disposed of.
Yes, that's why this order has marched. Interim order is not.
Even if it is marched.
Yes.
Even if it is marched. The legal requirement of formation of society
But
has
since-
not abolished.
Yes, yes, it is abolished, but subject to
Why?
kindly,
Where?
how it is abolished. Not by an interim order, I was required to form the society at an interim stage. It was an ad hoc arrangement. It will not create any precedent, no right, without rights and contentions, without prejudice.
No.
But final order is also there.
Order was to form society.
Society
because
as an
it is
interim
a-
order.
It is a requirement
No,
of
no,
law.
no, that is not the, this is a submission by an interim measure that we were directed to form a society so that the payment can be released for the time being. Till the final issue is decided, larger issue is decided whether I have to form absolutely the formation.
And the last sentence, henceforth nothing shall be paid.
It's the interim order. It's an interim order. That was also, my lord, that interim order finally gone into the final order
Right.
where my lord, his
Where
lordship
nothing
justice-
has been decided.
Nothing.
except
That's why I
no
say.
reason given.
Absolutely, I say. That's why, my lord, when I moved before your lordship, I my lord, objected to the relegation to these authorities because the matter will be authority will take the same stand. I made the same submission.
But
that
this is not binding on me equally.
no. Absolutely, I'm not saying so. I am saying that the memo that they referred to, your lordship is not deciding. We in contempt proceedings that will not be decided also, but I know. But this, not clearly, this is applicable to the private agencies, private security agencies. And from the documents, it is also, my learned friend will not dispute that till that 2020,
You are not employed by private security
no,
agency.
I am employed by this Jela Security Soinik Jela Board. Jela Soinik Board is a statutory authority under the district magistrate. That's why I'm not.
Show me that memo.
I have to refer to the writ then. Is it annexed? I have to refer to the writ petition then.
It's annexed to the writ petition.
No, yes. Everything is done to the writ petition. But since the resolution has taken, may I come?
So come back after vacation.
No. I'm ready.
You may be ready, but when the time I will get.
I am absent.
So come back.
Next Friday you will not be available.
Next 3 Fridays will not be there. Come back after
implemented some ad hoc payment as an interim measure because without salary.
Well, they submit the bill.
No. Why should I? We should not. We are not.
What this government will release the amount.
We are not. They have been paying.
Better you submit the bill.
No. We cannot submit the bill. Kindly, we should.
No. Through the society.
No. That we also cannot because from the very inception, individual employees' salary has been paid directly to the bank accounts. There is no requirement since we were appointed by the statutory body under the district magistrate. Central government had.
Then I have to see first that memo.
Yes, I have. Kindly take.
I have to see that memo.
They want to avoid GST and others.
That we
Statutory
are using-
deduction, they
Yes,
want.
yes, because they insisted the compliance as I say, we are private
Because
security agency. We are in
Well,
private security agency. They have been
Show me that
insisted on.
memo.
That there are so many documents kindly comes to from the
Show me
initial.
the memo, show me the memo.
By
Hey,
which
read
we are-
their file
by
টা দাও
which-
তো।
By way I read petition in Josh Shakti.
দেখি,
Page 44 of the read petition. Read
read
petition
their ফাইলটা। দেখে দিন। এটা কি রিটটা? এখানেই থাক।
They are equating the agent persons engaged through private. Page 44, right from front. May I place many documents? Page 44 first.
44.
Page 44 first of the read petition. The memo dated 21st April 2005.
Sir, I want to see that February memo.
Which February? 18th February.
Yes.
That was in the contempt application. itself.
You said that 18th February they have
Memo.
to consider.
Yes, yes, yes.
You show me that it
My
restricted.
compliance.
They-
report of
yes, yes,
33.
page-
My compliance report.
33.
No, page 8, when a
February.
memo is contempt
Contempt.
application. Memo is where they have been directed to pay salary directly to the hospitals under CMH South 24 Boyanagas. Kindly comes to the memo that I placed already and the coordinate benches order.
Page?
But I'm just
Contempt
page contempt application, page 39 memo. This is in 2025 after all this.
এই চালিয়ে দিয়েছে তো পেজ
Page 39, page 39.
yes
My lordship kindly
Prior
consider.
to prior,
Only three
kindly,
hospitals.
you are not interrupting. Interrupting me.
Three
Sir,
hospitals.
sir, please, you are interrupting. I am not
Please,
even
please,
making
Mr.
submissions for
Chakravarti,
merit.
please.
You have made so
Let
many
him, let him, let him, let him.
Why? No, not
Aste,
very.
aste.
No,
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 Now
I
we are
have
read
you have made
petition.
submissions
I
for
am
merit.
not, but
Taking
not,
lordship's care.
it's not appearing in read petition.
No, no. Poor employees, ex-servicemen,
All
working
are
for
poor
7
employees,
days,
not taken away.
Take your seat, take your
nine
seat.
salary and you are.
Mr. Dhar,
Not on.
Mr. Dhar,
Madam,
you are submitting
Page
before the
30
court, you
yeah,
submit
page-
to, please take your seat.
Every time.
But kindly comes to page 38 first.
I will see that memo first.
This is also relevant. Yes, sir. Page 39. This is memo dated 18th February 2025,
Yes.
written by
One second. Read from the very beginning, the
Yeah.
addressee.
memo dated such and such, dated 18th February 2025, issued by Government of West Bengal, Department of Health, Family Welfare, Office of the Chief Medical Officer
To the superintendent,
of Baghajotin, Vidyasagar, Vijaygarh, South 24 Parganas.
wait, you belong to which hospital?
Diamond Harbour Hospital within the same district.
So this memo prima facie is not addressed to your hospital.
Is hospital addressed to the hospitals within the same district, not my hospital. That's why his lordship noted
It's
that.
not your hospital.
Not hospital. No.
Acha. Read on.
Disbursement of
And
wages.
in that writ petition, the petitioners belong to any of such hospital.
No. My petition.
That previous
My petition. All my petition. Diamond Harbour Hospital petitioners.
and you were allowed to receive.
Absolutely.
All right.
And not only that, from 2010 to 2003, 4, 5, 8, 2021, up to that, we are paid salary directly to the bank account. 18th February 2025. Disbursement of wages of security charges regarding. In continuation of the previous memo such and such, and in reference to the above mentioned memo in accordance with the instructions therein, it is reiterated that the payment of wages to security personnel deployed at your hospital must be made directly to them with immediate effect as per directive of the responsibility of for the timely disbursement of wages to security guards engaged under the Jila Shoinik Board falls to the respective hospital authorities. You are therefore instructed to ensure strict compliance with the directions, directives, and facilitation the payment process accordingly. Any deviation from the instructions may be viewed serious. Same district. Now, kindly, Lordship, permit me just to place previous page, page 38 of this contempt application. This is issued by my appointing authority, District Magistrate President, Jila Shoinik Board. to the, this is writing Secretary Jila Sainik Board to Superintendent Vidyasagar Hospital. Disbursement of salary security staff of Vidyasagar Hospital. This is to inform you.
It is your hospital.
No, Vidyasagar Hospital within the same district. Same district, they are paying even pursuant to after your lordship's order salary directed to their bank account. That is in the writ petition itself and also stated on oath in the contempt petition. Kindly please permit me this. This is to intimate this office is an office of the West Bengal government under the Home and Hill Affairs Department, not an agency. This is important. Private agency, separate. This office acts for the welfare of ex-servicemen in the case of deployment of security guards as various hospitals of South Indian Republic. It includes my hospital also. This office was only recommending authority and the names of ex-servicemen was recommended for deployment as per requisition. Hence, you are to deployment authority of security guards deployed at your hospital. Further to intimate as per Health Family Welfare Department's memo such and such, district magistrate such and such of the district will act as DDO for the disbursement of salary of hospital security guards. Hence, this office has no objection if disbursement of salary of such security guards is being credited directly to the bank accounts of individuals as the disbursing authority, that it is also of 17th February 2025. This is, Lord, this submission was made and that's why coordinated bench recorded this memo and directed them, and this was fair submission on part of the state that if the other hospitals have been given the benefit by virtue of this memo, they should also get. That was the submission, and on that submission, that order was passed. Kindly permit me to place that order, coordinated bench's order.
All right, you come after some time. But Mr. Chattopadhyay, if the illegality was not detected so long, as you say.
Well, for a moment, my lordship, kindly allow me to say something. My lordship, kindly, my report, my compliance board, kindly see for a moment. Page 30.
No, I will hear on the next.
Yes, well, page 30, my lord. Page 30, my lord, just for a moment.
Yes. Yes.
The 18th February memo that has been withdrawn by CMH himself.
Mr. Counsel, better you file an affidavit in the meantime. Better you file an affidavit to the compliance report.
Kindly explain it as soon as early as possible, and without salary. And admittedly, salary is due and payable to us. We are ready to.
কি বলেছি?
After your lordship's passed the order, withdraw. This is absolutely continuous.
Next.
Yes. Let's see.
You take whatever point you wish to take
Absolutely.
in your affidavit. And in the affidavit, in the body of the affidavit, you give
all the
necessary list of dates,
Absolutely.
chronology.
And the documents also. With my
You give that, and whatever way you are placing
Absolutely.
your argument, the way you proceeded,
My lord.
you proceed in your
Absolutely, my
affidavit.
lord.
So that they can also deal.
Absolutely, my lord.
Come prepared on.
Yes, yes. Let the issue be decided once for all.
ঘুমিয়ে গেল বাহাদুর
না, ওটার দরকার নেই। লিখুন, on perusing the said compliance affidavit and after hearing both Mr. Dhar and Mr. Chattopadhyay substantially, it appears to this court that the petitioner should be granted an opportunity to deal with the said compliance report by way of an affidavit. Accordingly, the petitioner shall file an affidavit, counter affidavit. Petitioner shall file counter affidavit to the affidavit of compliance on or before September 12, 2025. Poster. The matter shall appear under the heading contempt application on November 7, 2025. Content application bracket hearing on November 7, 2025. Content application bracket hearing. Sure. Where is your other side?
The advocate on record is here, my lord. And the contemnant is here. The alleged contemnant is.
Since the এটা কি? তো ওই ইয়ে কোথায় দিদি?
এই দাঁড়া আগে উঠে গেছে।
Since the compliance একটা লিখে রাখুন 6 নম্বরে item number 6. Since the compliance report has been filed and the alleged contemner is also present in person today, I'm just dispensing his appearance because the compliance report filed, he was also present today.
Fine.
Since the compliance report has been filed
My fault.
by the alleged contemner and the alleged contemner is also present in person today, comma, his further personal appearance stands dispensed with for the time being until further direction. Just this one, this line.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm sorry.
Chalo. So what to do?
You're also right, because there is a resolution. এই আর বলো না আজকে জশা উঠে যাচ্ছে।
Yesterday, Lordship passed an order. My lord, yesterday, Lordship was pleased to dispose of a writ petition, and Lordship asked me to check, do the corrections, my lord, in the order that has been uploaded yesterday.
But today you have a resolution.
Since your Lordship will be going to the circuit.
I understand, but what to do? What your other side is also not here.
She is there, my lord.
Your other side is here.
Yes.
You have brought the order.
Yes, my lord. I've got that.
Which one? Serial number?
11. Next matter, my lord.
Next matter. Where is your other side? You have shown it to him.
No.
So you shown it. You have corrected. Show it to him.
I'll show you.
Show it to him. Show it to him.
No, I'm there. I'll show you.
Are correction ta din na okay.
No, I'm showing you.
Show it to him. This is yesterday's order.
Yes, yes.
Which was placed in server.
Yes, ma'am.
You have taken out and corrected the facts and figures.
Yes, ma'am.
Show it to him.
Only, my lord, the documents which has not been annexed with the writ petition that has to be produced before the hearing officer. That has to be, my lord.
Sir, whatever order is there is there. I will not
No,
change.
in this matter we are not appearing. No, next matter we are appearing.
Huh?
This is the different matter, my lord. Two matters
The
were.
matter has been dealt with.
Yes. Now next.
There you were not there.
No.
Fair enough.
Next matter, we.
Today's matter.
Yes. We referring those submission that the documents which were brought to the not brought to the court of law.
There is one paragraph. See that writ petition.
Yes.
See, last dike. Within the not be beyond the scope of the writ petition.
That is in almost all this order that was.
So what does it mean?
Yes, your lordship.
If any document you are required to cite,
yes,
which is within the scope of the writ petition, you will do it. Please read that paragraph. You have got that paragraph?
Yes, my lord.
Read on loudly. Are Mama chechiye
Yes,
bolo
yes.
na.
In the event after the rescind order is passed, yes, the steps previously already taken, if any, so the same are not sustainable in accordance with law in view of the above rescind order to be passed, then all necessary corrections, modifications and rectifications in the pay fixation of the petitioner shall be carried out.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক জায়গাটা পড়ছে না
Paragraph 9, my lord, it is made
Yes,
clear that this court has not gone into the merits of the claim of the petitioner. The petitioner and the respondent number 7 shall be free to urge whatever points they wish to urge before the respondent number 2 by relying upon whatever records and documents they wish to rely upon, but the same shall not trouble beyond the scope of the claim made in the writ petition.
করে দাও দুজনের নাম দিয়ে দিন দিদি মিস্টার
Tanmoy Chattopadhyay.
তন্ময় চট্টোপাধ্যায় learned advocate appears for the petitioner. Where is your affidavit of service?
My lord, given, my lord. I just gave both the documents.
হ্যাঁ
Both the documents I've given, my lord.
affidavit of service আচ্ছা তন্ময় চট্টোপাধ্যায় for petitioner Mr.
Milord, we are Milord Sanjeev Das. Myself Sanjeev Das, he is Milord.
Mr. Sonjit Das learned advocate with Mr.
Milord also lead by Milord Pinaki.
আরে একটা একটা করে হোক না with Mr.
Soumik De,
Souvik De led by Mr.
Pinaki Dhol.
Where has he gone?
Milord in code number 33.
Led by Mr. Pinaki Dhol learned advocate appears for the
For state respondents.
state.
Except Milord respondent number 7. 1 to 6 are state. 7 is the principal of the
Matter is state respondent, I said. Paragraph respondent number 7 is not represented.
Yes.
Plus, respondent number is 7 is state.
No, principal of the
It's
institution.
a home. He's under the Ministry of.
We are not representing. We are not.
ছেড়ে দিন লেখারই দরকার নেই না 7 is the principal.
Yes, yes.
Of an home, my lord, home.
So he will participate in the hearing.
Proceeding.
Yes, I have directed that. Respondent number 7 is not represented. ঠিক আছে করে এই অর্ডারটা করে দেবেন বুঝেছেন চল এনি ফাদার এনি ওয়েবসাইট নাথিং
Extremely grateful.
চলো কি কোনটা ছিল কত দূর
11, my lord.
11.
এবার নাচিয়ে দেবেন নাকি সবাইকে হুড়ু
No,
করে
no,
লিস্ট ডেকে
not required. Milord, we are we want to see Milord at the circuit.
Extremely grateful.
কেন আমরা যখন Moved.
My lord, may
I have got it, but I have.
may I indicate, my lord, Mr. Sakar, my lord,
No
is
question of
No,
any.
no, my lord, Lordship, my lord, I don't want to make any correction, my lord. We grew up in my lord, a system of trust. There's no trust now, my lord. We don't want to make any, let the error remain. Lordship, my lord, will take the notes and leave it at that. We will make no correction. One date was wrong. I didn't realize, my lord, it was so complicated to, my lord, have service, correction, exchange. My lord, I have advised my client, no correction is required. Kindly, my lord, pardon us, my lord, kindly forget. Sorry to have trouble, Lordship, come and sit down. I didn't know all this. I have told you, Lordship, earlier, we don't want to make any correction. My lord, we withdraw our prayer.
Ashu. The hearing in the matter was concluded on August 28, 2025, and the judgment was kept reserved. And the judgment was reserved. আচ্ছা মাথার উপর লিখুন আগে Mr. Sudipto Sarkar, learned senior advocate, appears through virtual mode with Mr. Somriddho Sen, learned advocate, appearing physically for the award holder. Paragraph. Mr. Manoj Kumar Tiwari, learned advocate, appears for the award date of. তারপরে কি লিখলেন? Paragraph. Today, the matter has been mentioned at the instance of the award holder with a plea that the written notes on argument which has already been filed contains a date which has been mistakenly typed out. First up, such typographical error is sought to be corrected by filing a fresh written notes on argument. First up, paragraph. The prayer has been opposed. First up. The plea taken while opposing the prayer on behalf of the award debtor that since parties have not exchanged their written notes and they have filed their respective written notes before the court, no correction should be allowed Good stuff. You have served your note?
No, they have not served. I have bought it. I have prepared, but said.
Oh, so they have not served?
No, sir.
No.
1 second, sir. So just for my clarification first, no note has been served, no correction has been served. Fair enough. You also don't serve.
Correct. I'm grateful to Lordship.
In all fairness, I was renewing my prayer if the notes can be exchanged.
No.
Full stop. কি বললাম? At this juncture, Mr. Sudipto Sarkar, learned senior advocate, submits that his client has been advised not to cause any correction, any typographical correction in the written notes, and the same shall remain as it is filed, as it has been filed. yesterday.
Yes.
Poster. Accordingly, there shall be no question of exchange of written notes.
I'm grateful.
Poster.
Sorry to bother you.
Huh?
No, I'm sorry, my lord. I didn't know this. I should have told you. Lord. Unfortunately, Lordship rose today also, but I didn't know Mr. Dastur has passed away, unfortunately. But I should know him very well. So.
All right.
I'm grateful, Lordship. But have a good break. Wish your Lordship having a good break.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দাদা তাহলে একটু লিখুন উপরে লিখে নিন এসো সেটা লিখে করো there is some procedural thing has to be taken care of.
That's all.
কি বললাম উপরে একদম উপরে কি বললাম পড়ো such and such for award holder তারপর প্যারাগ্রাফ হচ্ছে মিস্টার মুনুদ such and such তারপর পড়ো পড়ো ইয়ে করে দিন সাপ্লিমেন্টারি পাবলিশ করে দাও এখনই করে দাও আচ্ছা কি বললাম Post paragraph. This order is passed after the matter being published on the matter being after the matter being published in the supplementary list today. কি বললাম ঠিক আছে ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ মিস্টার তিওয়ারি থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার আমার দেখিয়ে নাও সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট একটু চেপে দাও দেখিয়ে নাও তারপর আমি ঠিক আছে